I wake up at 3 in the morning because it's silent, and silence makes it easier to focus. Most people wake up chasing money, but listen to me carefully. If you would make you, money would come to you. If you became a better person, you'd make more money. The way people treat money, that's how I treat time. Because the one thing you can never get back is time. It is your greatest asset. They print money every day. They don't print time. I've never met a billionaire, a trillionaire, an institution, or a company that could say, "Give me $1 million and it'll give you 10 more years of life." You can replace money. You cannot replace a year. You are running out of time. Most of you are knocking on doors at 50%, trying to get the same results as someone giving 100%. And you're confused why it's not working. You're doing what they're doing, but you're not who they are. When I became number one, it wasn't because I was better than anyone else. It's because I mastered my craft. I focused on becoming rare. Diamonds are rare. That's why they cost so much. Stop worshipping money. Start mastering yourself. When you master your time, money will follow. Some of you think you've got 3 years, 5 years, 10 years. I'm telling you deserve to be great now. There are people in your life who won't be here when you finally make it. They won't see you win. They won't enjoy the fruits of your labor with you. And that's not to scare you, that's to wake you up. Your opportunity might not come in 5 years. It might come in 6 weeks. The question is, will you be ready when it comes? If you wake up chasing cars, chains, watches, and status, you won't beat me. I'm waking up for my kids. I'm waking up for legacy. Time is the real enemy. Not finances, not relationships, not circumstances. Time. You have to guard it, protect it, respect it. You have to see what doesn't exist yet. Because if you can't see it, you'll never manifest it. This isn't about consistency anymore. This is about commitment. You can't play with your dream. You can't keep asking, "Should I quit?" I won't tell you what to do, but I'll ask you this. What's your why? Because if your why isn't stronger than the pain, you'll quit. Life will beat you down, especially if you're trying to be great. Without vision, there's no direction. Without direction, there's no progress. Some of you are tired. Some of you are hurt. Some of you are scared. I feel you. So don't worry about the rest of the year. Don't even worry about next month. Just survive today, because every day matters. Some things in life won't come to you have to go take them. They won't happen at your job. They won't happen in your bed. They won't happen in the shower dreaming. You want guarantees, but you're not willing to make guarantees to yourself. Your goals should tell you what time to wake up, who to hang around, what to say yes to and what to say no to. Stop waking up like an accident. What do you want? What do you want in your marriage, in your health, in your finances, in your life? It's not the hand you were dealt, it's how you play it. Average gets forgotten. Good gets forgotten. Great is remembered. You don't need money to outlast pain. You don't need support to survive hard seasons. You just need a decision. I've been homeless. I've failed classes. I've been counted out. But I never quit. Failing doesn't make you a failure. Losing doesn't make you a loser. Quitting does. You can't stay where you are and go where you're trying to go. So what are you willing to sacrifice? Because if it was easy, everybody would do it. Look in the mirror and say it with me. I can. I will. I must. Make the rest of your life the best of your life. I know you can do it. I believe in you. Now go to work.